Hey everyone, welcome to the Weiler channel. Today I'll show you how to set Google as your home page on Windows 11. I'll demonstrate using the Edge browser. Open the browser, click Settings, then Start, Home and New tabs. Here, when Edge starts, click Open these pages, add a new page, and type google.com. Click Add, close Edge, and reopen it. Google should now open immediately. Next, go to Settings, then Search and type Search Engine. There. Here's the search engine control. See? Google should be listed here. Click Add. Done. Now select Google here. That's it. This was Weiler. See you later.